Washington, D.C. Fountain Pen Supershow 2018. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, Bob. Mario. This is a small room, the first room of the show. Actually, we have 3 rooms. So we're going to class.
So there's a guy.
Judd is here. Hi, Judd.
Hi.
Sorry. And Roll is here.
It actually glows blue, just like in the photo.
Gail Bibi is here. John Amchik is here. Team. Maxim is here. Hi, Maxim.
Hey, how are you doing, Miro?
I'm fine. How are you?
Life is good, right?
Life is good, yes.
So where did you
Yes. Yesterday you said the air was
Miro is here. Okay. So this is Hi, Joss. Joss.
Yeah,
Cliff.
I like that. It's a good picture. Yeah, I bought a.
when he needs an order.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Greetings from DC.
Jonathan Steiner again. And Happy David is here. Happy David.
Attention.
Hey, how you doing, Miro?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good show. Good show.
Thank you. Letizia. Hi. Osman Abi. How are you?
Good. Fine. How are you, Miroslav?
Life is good.
Life is good. If you're missing an important earring, we have it. Thank you.
I have to examine.
Jerry's here. Steve is here. Hi, Steve.
Hello.
What did that lady with that nice little Parker and that
Hi. Okay. Francesco Alfarano is here. Richie. Richie is here. Busy.
I don't like Miro anymore.
Yeah. You love me. Life is good.
I don't like you.
I buy pens. Fantastic. And I am buyer too.
You have the ink.
Sarge is here. Carlos is here. Hi, Carlos. Wait, wait. And Steven is here.
Cool.
Hi, Steven.
Miro on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all?
And John is here. How are you, John?
Hello, everybody.
And this is
And Nikolai is here. So many people.
No, none of them. They're all new old stuff. You look at the fountain pen. So this is a fountain pen.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, Miro.
How are you, Sarge?
I'm doing very well. Washington, D.C., 2018. Super Pen Show, one-man pen show.
Fantastic. How is life?
Life is good.
Never forget.